Sometimes, you may have posted a ghost post on Threads. A ghost post is like an Instagram story or WhatsApp status. It'll be deleted after 24 hours. If you want to edit that ghost post, you can do that. In this video, we'll tell you how to edit ghost posts on Threads. For this, open the Threads application. After that, down here, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you click on that, here you can see the ghost post. Here, when you click on that, you can see every ghost post. And if you want to edit that post, what you need to do is select that post. After that, above, you can see 3 dots. Click on these 3 dots, and when you click on that, here you can see the edit option. And one important thing is that you're only having 15 minutes to edit that post after posting it. So, within 15 minutes, you should edit, otherwise, you can't. Anyways, I'm editing this, and after that, click on this post button. When you click on that, that post will be updated. So, this way, you can easily edit ghost posts on Threads. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.